It's 100% possible for you to make $1,000 plus off the internet as a content creator even without showing your face on camera. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the top 4 that has actually made me over $1,000 consistently over and over again without me even showing my face on the internet. And so if you are ready to actually learn how you can actually make over $1,000 every single month off the internet without showing your face, then this is the video for you, because I'm going to share with you 4 different content ideas you can actually do without putting your face on camera. Now the first one is basically compilation videos. Now what this basically means is simply come over to platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and whatever platform that you actually want, and then you download any sort of videos you want to post. Like for example, if you want to post funny videos, you basically come over to platform like TikTok and basically search for funny videos like this. Now once you basically search for funny videos, then you download as much as you want. Now basically, let me just take a quick example for this video. You basically click on the share, and then you download it, and then you go over to another one again, you download it, and you basically download as many as you actually want. Now basically, I always advise that the videos should be about 30 seconds to 2 minutes maximum in order to go viral really fast. Now once you save the videos, the next thing is basically you send these videos into a video editor. Now you can use CapCut, InShot, VN, or wherever video editor you actually want to use out there. Now for the sake of these tutorials, I'm going to use VN video editor. Now what you basically do is you come over to your video editor, you click on the plus button, and then you click on where it says new project, save, and then you import all the clips you just downloaded. Now basically, let me just put in random clips to actually complete it. Now once you import all the clips, like now what you basically do is simply you just combine them and then put them all together like this. Then the next thing you basically do is simply you click on share, and then you basically save the videos. As simple as this. Now you basically take them from TikTok. Now if you want to post the videos on Facebook Reels, then you have to take them from TikTok. Now once you take them from TikTok, you send them over to Facebook, and once you compile them like this, you send them to Facebook, and you can basically get monetized. As simple as this is known as the compilation method. And with this, if you even want to take it to the next level whereby you really want to make it 100% original, then you basically add a little bit of voice, whereby in the beginning of the video you can say, here are the top 10 most funniest videos ever. Now once you say it like that, you basically say number 1, then you play that one. Then once you get to the next clip, you say number 2, you do that. So now if you need a full masterclass on how this actually works, just comment masterclass in the video description in the comment section, and I'm going to give you a link to actually contact me on Telegram or WhatsApp, where I can actually take you through a one-on-one mentorship at a fee. Now these videos actually get a lot of views. If you go over to Facebook, you see them all over the end. These people are actually making over $1,000, and I have personally done it as well. Now this is the first one on our list. Now let's drop to the second one. Now the second one is basically using AI videos. Now what this basically means is simply you can actually create videos like the one you are currently seeing on your screen right now. You basically create this sort of videos using AI. Now you use AI to generate the images, you use AI to generate the videos, and you can basically compile them together and upload it onto YouTube and start making money. And the truth is that what this sort of videos will even make you over $5,000 plus every single month if you are able to consistently upload and build the channel up. Now these sort of videos are also kind of difficult to actually do as a total beginner, but then I got you covered already. You can come watch this video here on my YouTube channel. Now in this particular video, I actually share with you a complete guide on how you can actually do this from scratch as a total beginner. I shared with you 3 AIs that you can use and how you can actually generate the images, turn them to video, generate a voiceover, every single thing for 100% free. So if you are interested in using the AI video method, where this can actually make you a lot of money, so you can actually come watch this video. The link will be there in this video description as well. So guys, this is the second way to actually make money as a content creator without showing your face, is basically creating AI videos. Now the third one is basically screen recording tutorials. Now let me say you are someone who wants to create content and you have a lot of ideas. Maybe you are a web developer, a programmer, or you're a graphic designer, or you have a skill that you actually want to share, but then you don't want to put your face on camera to actually do this tutorial. Well, you can actually use a screen recording method to actually do those sort of tutorials without putting your face on the screen. Like for example, if you take a look at this my video right now, I was showing you how to actually create content using AI. And in this particular video, I placed my face at the side here. But for you, you can decide not to place your face. What you basically do is simply, you share your screen. You just basically use a screen recorder, like the one I'm using right now, Prism, or OBS Studio or whatever screen recording software are. They basically use it to record your screen whilst you're actually sharing the tips with your audience. You basically show them every single thing on the screen without having to put your face there. However, with this method, you might want to include your voice in it to actually make it more unique instead of using AI voices. Like when I got started with this particular channel at first, I've deleted those old videos of, but if you had gone back before, if those videos were there, you will actually see that I started this channel with 100% screen recording. I wasn't showing my face then or whatsoever. Why? Because as of then, I didn't have a phone. I only had a laptop that my dad actually got my elder sister for her school project. That's what I was actually using. So I wasn't showing my face on camera, and I was basically just doing every single tutorial just by sharing my screen with people. And there are a lot of channels on YouTube here that are making thousands of dollars of this method. Like on my forex trading channel, I spend more time creating videos where I just show my screen rather than showing my face. So guys, the third one here is basically using screen recording method to actually create content. Now the final one is basically game recording. Now if you are someone who's into playing video game and you enjoy playing video games a lot and you play these video games on your smartphone, well, every single thing is already easy for you. You can basically create content around this game you are actually playing. Now which sort of content can you create? If you know tricks in this game that you can actually use, well, you create content around those tricks and share it with people on YouTube, Facebook, or wherever platform. Like there are a lot of YouTube channels out there that are actually making thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars from YouTube just by sharing their gameplay. And if you're active on the internet, you know that what most of these gamers actually make a lot of money because they get branded deals from these games and get a lot of sponsorship deals and so forth. And some of them even make it into the World Pro tournament. Like for someone like me, I play eFootball a lot, and but then I don't create eFootball game video, but around the last 2 years, I was actually recording my gameplay and I sent it to my friend who used to have a gaming channel back then. I used to send them the gameplays. Then he actually pays me for it because I play the game and he doesn't know how to play the game that much, or his phone wasn't really that strong. So I was playing the games and recording for him. Now the main reason why I don't do a gaming channel is because I already have a lot of channel on my hand. Yes, you might not be aware, but I have almost 5 different YouTube channels. And I show my face on 3 channels, but then you only know 1 or 2 of them. So basically, gaming channels are another great ways to actually make money as a content creator. And if you're someone who's really addicted to game like me, well, that is your main road out there. Because for me, I play games when I'm eating. I play games when I'm even going to bed. I had to play game first. Even before recording this content, I had to play some match first. I play eFootball or FC26. Whatever soccer game that you bring my way, well, I will actually defeat you on it. So guys, this is basically all the ideas that I actually have on how you can actually make money as a content creator without showing your face. And let me give you a quick map on all of them. First one is simply the TikTok compilation, where you take TikTok videos, compile them, and post them, as simple as that. Secondly is basically when you create AI videos, and I already gave you how you can actually do those videos as well, as I have a tutorial on it showing on your screen right now. Now the third one was basically screen recording. If you are someone who have a skill, you basically record your screen, showing this skill to people on how they can actually do things without you showing your face. And the final one is basically recording gameplay. If you are someone who's into gaming, well, you just have one of the best skills out there. And I love you. I'm a gamer as well. So guys, with this already said, if you are new here, smash that subscribe button, and also don't forget to join my Telegram channel. The link will be down in this video description, and as well join my WhatsApp group as well. Either of them that you find yourself, welcome on board, and see you in my next video.